I'm Jim Hawk. I'm standing in front of one of our new Durahaul step decks with Beavertail ramps. These trailers are awesome trailers that we've stocked for a couple of years now. They feature a 10-foot upper deck, a 43-foot lower deck, as well as a 5-foot Beavertail section. The ramps are adjustable and spring-loaded for numerous options. We have double pipe spool and stake pockets spaced on 2-foot centers, Apatong deck boards, and sliding winches. In addition to that, these offer knee bracing, which add additional structure and support to the deck boards. These trailers have been great for agricultural use as well as construction. And for more information, please feel free to reach out to your nearest Hawk Equipment location.